doon sa latest na pagbomba ng China, ano yung circumstance? Ang sabi sa reports, kasi hindi naman natin makita, wala naman, merong Navy ships. Navies, meaning armed. Ang nagbomba is China's Coast Guard. Napakalaki nung host niya, okay? Nabasag yung mga salamin because of the high pressure ng tubig. And remember, nandun yung Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Napakaraming militia vessels na fundamentally they are part of the People's Republic of China na forces. Armed forces sila. In essence, regular force sila. Para mo lang siyang dinamitan na hindi parang militar. But in reality, they are members of the People's Liberation Army. So, considered ba siya as an attack? Sa akin, with due respect do sa mga experts natin, sa akin, pag tiningnan mo yung scale or magnitude ng ginawa nila, it is considered an armed attack. Bakit? Basically, yung forces nila are already involved. And remember, yung binubomba nilang vessel, nandun yung chief of staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines. I-apply natin siya. Ibalik rin natin. Yung Philippines ang bumomba doon sa ship, Philippine Coast Guard na ship. And it so happened na nandun yung Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces ng People's Liberation Army. Ano mo ba mangyayari? In few seconds, missile will rain doon sa ating Coast Guard, at kung meron pa diyan meron pang kasama yan na Philippine Navy, siguradong burado yan. Remember, yung China, meron siyang napakarami siyang nagbabantay na mga submarines enough to wipe out yung ating napakaliit na force.